What's up, everybody? Have you ever wanted to send a WhatsApp message to a number that you don't want to bother adding to your phone book? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in just a few steps. In order to do that, you just need to create a link that you can either tap and send a message to, or you can also put this link in your address bar on a browser. So, to do this very easily, you just need to type in http colon forward slash forward slash wa.me forward slash, and then after that you're gonna type in the country code, and after the country code you're also going to put in the phone number. So in South Africa, for instance, the country code is +27. So let me just type here +27 +27. So +27 replaces the first zero in South Africa, and then the rest of the number. For example, if the rest of the number is 72, like that, now it's 10 numbers with the country code, and you hit enter, then it's going to create a link. So this is going to create a link to a number, to the number that you want to send it to. And if the number is already on WhatsApp and you can send a WhatsApp message to it, all you need to do after that is tap on that link that you've created, and voila, you are now in a chat where you can just type whatever you want to the person that you want to send a WhatsApp message to. If the number, however, is not on WhatsApp, then you're gonna get a message saying the phone number, whatever, isn't on WhatsApp yet. Then, yeah, it's really that simple. You just create the link and you tap on the link, and you can send a WhatsApp message, and you won't have to save this number in your phone book in order to do that. So I hope this video worked for you. Hit the like if it helped you in any way, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tips and tricks like this in the future. And thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.